how you can add the subscribe button in YT Create application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the subscribe button in YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, let's get started. You have to open up the YT Create application. You can see I have already opened up my project. Now if you guys want to add the subscribe button in your video, so all you have to do is tap right here on the sticker icon. After tapping here, you can see the stickers. From there you will have to search for the YouTube sticker, and you can see the subscribe button. Tap right here on the subscribe button, and you will be able to see that this subscribe button will be added to your screen. Now you can drag it close and you will get the small size of this, and you can adjust it wherever you want to adjust in your video. So this is how you can easily add the subscribe button in your video. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.